for us, it's about marketing directly to the consumer on a granular level. So on a fan-to-fan basis, we'd like to get to a point where, and again, this comes down to data collection, but knowing exactly what each customer is buying, how they're interacting and engaging with the team, which emails they're opening, what they're buying at the team store, what food products they're buying, which types of games and which opponents they're coming to. And then by having a 360-degree view of the customer, we're able to know, which customers would be the best fit for which packages, which season plans, which single game ticket offers, and things like that. So for us, the future is really knowing who our fans are on a very personal, individual basis.
So let me, paint the picture of a Nationals fan, though. Like, what would that look like, given, if you get what you're trying to get, what would that look like for a Nationals fan actually doing something?
I mean, I think it comes down to a few different types of fans. I mean, we have our core fan base, which is frankly your middle-aged white male who lives in the suburbs in Virginia.
That would be me, but
It's a lot of our fans. But, to expand on that, it's also about, acquiring new customers, of course, but DC is such a transient city. There's a lot of opportunity there. We have a unique opportunity that not all teams have. People are coming and they're leaving, and while people are here, if it's not where they ultimately end up, they want to be a fan of something, and they can watch their home team on TV, but they also want to go to games and attend. So we're in a unique position, but it's about the different types of fans that we have. We have the young social fans who aren't necessarily big baseball fans. They come, they're not paying attention to the whole game, but they're buying beer and they're hanging out at the Bud Light Loft. So there's different types of customers, and we have very targeted email offers and other single game ticket offers that we're constantly trying to target these specific fans for and see how they respond, and then what we can continue to learn about these fans and our new fans that we're acquiring.